How can I fix keyboard typing from right to left?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue that many of you might have faced: your keyboard typing from right to left instead of the standard left to right. Yes, that's a thing. But don't worry, it's an easy fix, and we'll guide you through it, step by step.
What causes the keyboard to type from right to left?
Before we start fixing the problem, it's important to know why it's happening. Your keyboard might be typing from right to left due to the input language setting on your device. Some languages, like Arabic and Hebrew, are read from right to left, and if one of these is your input language, your keyboard will type from right to left. In addition, certain keyboard shortcuts can unintentionally switch the typing direction.
How to check the input language on Windows?
The first step to resolving the problem is to check your input language. 1. Click on the language icon on the right side of the taskbar. 2. You should see a list of languages. If Arabic, Hebrew, or any other right-to-left language is selected, that's likely the cause of your issue.
How to change the input language on Windows?
If you've determined that the input language is the problem, here's how to change it. 1. Go to the Control Panel. 2. Click on Change Input Methods under Clock, Language, and Region. 3. Here you can add or remove languages. 4. If a right-to-left language is your default, you can change it to English or any other left-to-right language.
How to check and change keyboard shortcuts?
Sometimes, you may inadvertently press a keyboard shortcut that changes your typing direction. On most systems, pressing the right shift and left shift keys together changes the typing direction. If your language is set correctly, try pressing these two keys together to see if it fixes the issue. And there you have it. That's how you fix a keyboard that's typing from right to left. Just remember, check your input language settings and be aware of the keyboard shortcuts that might alter your typing direction. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy typing!